Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jane Zetta and I work for the Marion County Public Health Department. This is our, I don't even know what month we are in, but welcome back. This week we're going to be talking about the power of protein. So let's get started. Protein is one of the three nutrients known as macronutrients. Carbohydrates and fats are the others, but these are the three main ones. Our body requires large amounts of these to keep us alive and functioning. Protein has many different roles relating to the structure and regulation of your body functions, which is very, very important for you to have an overall good diet. There are two different types of dietary proteins. We have animal-based proteins and we have plant-based proteins. So we have our beef, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, dairy, cheese, pork, lamb, all of those things. Anything that comes from an animal is considered a protein, animal protein, sorry. And then they're considered as complete protein, which provide all 9 essential amino acids. Your plant-based proteins are your soy products, so tofu, edamame, legumes, beans, peas, nuts, seitan, lentils, quinoa, impossible and beyond products. Mostly incomplete proteins. They do not provide all 9 essential amino acids, except the quinoa, lentils, and soy. But they're a good source of fiber as well. So, like I said, it transports, it can blend into other molecules to bring them to different parts of your body, like your hemoglobin. It acts as an antibody that builds a specific substance to help protect your body from illnesses, and hormones. So proteins that carry message throughout the body, and then structure as well. So this is what we know most of the time that protein does. It helps our body, it helps our muscles. So that's like the key function of it. Now that I've talked about the importance of protein and what it actually does for your body, we're gonna get into our recipe for the month. Recipe for the month is a salmon salad, which is really good, packed with protein. So let's get started. So I already have most of our stuff here. So I have our salmon. This is 6 ounces of salmon. And then I have our chopped celery and onion here as well. And then all of the ingredients, this is the type of salmon that I use. I just use the red salmon. So this is the size, and this is for 2 servings. For our rest of our recipe, we have our Dijon mustard, we have our dill, we have our light mayo, and then we are going to use for our seasoning lemon pepper. So, like I said, I already have everything. The celery and the onions minced up. You need about 1 stick of celery, and cut that up and put it in your mixture. So that's what I'm gonna do. So next we're gonna put our Dijon mustard in here. Oh, it already bursted. Just add a little bit in there. We have our light mayo, so I'm gonna add that to our mixture. Again, I am not measuring. I like a little bit more mayo, so I added it. And then a little bit of dill. Add that there. And then our lemon pepper seasoning. And then next we have our lemon pepper seasoning. That's what we're gonna use to give it everything that it needs. Okay, it's all there, and now I'm gonna mix it all in. So now our mixture is done. So this is what your finished product should look like. So I'm just gonna add it to a piece of whole grain bread. If I can get it all in here. It looks so delicious. Alrighty. And there we have it, our salmon salad. This looks amazing. This has about 20 grams of protein in this one meal. So like I said, it's very, very important for us to get our protein in. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope I see you next time.